Hello world, maayong adlaw Mindanao, konnichiwa Nippon. Welcome to my channel. What is Kaki-Gori or shaved ice dessert here in Japan? A Japanese art of ice dessert that we call Kaki-Gori. Ice is generally a commodity that a lot of people disregard because of its simplicity and availability. It is something that is seen in a daily living, which is why people do not give it as much attention. However, nowadays, the modern has given this a commodity a brand new image, especially in the field of art. Ice in old Japan. In the days when there is no refrigerator or ice invaluable, during the winter, natural ice is cut out and stored into a storage facility called himuro, built in the cave at the foot of the mountain. During the summer season, the ice is cut out and transported to the capital for the consumption of the royalties in the palace. Birth of Kaki-Gori or shaved ice dessert. As ice shop became more widespread in Japan, ice became more accessible to the people. And it was Kabe Nakagawa who paid attention to this good opportunity. He became a good businessman in Yokohama. With this, he thought of giving flavor to ice and paved the way for the opening of Japan's first shaved ice dessert shop in Basamichi Street, Yokohama, Japan. The ice he offered was sourced from the Lake Suwa in Hakodate, Sapporo. As with any pioneer product, the initial sales were dismal due to the humor that ice desserts give stomach ache. However, summer came and the heat was giving everyone the thirst for something to cool themselves, and Nakagawa's ice dessert were a hit. It was said that you could not get your hands on his products without falling in line for 2 hours, as it became a widely popular item in the neighborhood. And today, different versions of ice desserts are present and they differ by country. For instance, Taiwan has its own shipper pin that may be translated as snow shaved ice. South Korea, on the other hand, has its own bingsu, which is made from really fine ice that almost makes it look like fluffy in appearance and soft in taste. Different toppings in the form of beans, fruits, syrups, flakes, and the like are also incorporated to create a shower of flavors in the mouth. But in the Philippines, we have also desserts like this. It's a halo-halo. Yes, everyone's love halo-halo in the Philippines. And in Bisaya version, kung mukaon ka ani, kinahanglan strong imong tiyan. Kay kung dili gani, panuhoton ka, magkalibanga ka. So, be careful.